Good morning, Beverett Hills Elementary. I am Alyssa Kelly, your CA president.
And I am Owen Terry, your SCA secretary, and this is the news for Tuesday, December 3rd, 2019.
Today's word of the day is unruly. Unruly means hard to control or rule.
Sometimes Skippy John Jones becomes unruly when his imagination takes over. His mother has a hard time getting him to do anything.
On this day in history, in the year 1818, Illinois became the 21st state of America.
The prairies of Illinois kept many settlers from living there in the beginning, but farmers soon learned it was a great place to plant crops, and the population grew quickly.
Welcome back to school. We hope you all had a great break.
Now let's get back to business and make December a month to remember. This is Owen Terry
and Alyssa Kelly. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day.
Have a great day.